What if your managed print services deals could deliver more value and lower costs? Introducing the Brother Value Print Program Plus, an enhanced version of our trusted value print program for Brother authorized partners. Now featuring a powerful cloud-based MPS platform to help you grow your business and simplify fleet management. Let's start with the foundation. For existing partners, VPP Plus brings forward the benefits you already know and trust. Competitive cost per page pricing on Brother genuine consumables. A 3-year limited warranty extension on select hardware models, with priority call support and overnight device exchange for major accounts. These essentials form the base of the program, whether you're new or already on board. But VPP Plus goes beyond the basics. With a vendor-agnostic, cloud-based MPS platform that puts robust remote monitoring and management capabilities at your fingertips, including a connect-to-server on-screen button for easy setup, automated supplies availability, easy device configuration remotely from the cloud, and secure device communication via HTTPS, without the need for data collection software on the network. And the best part? It's included with Brother devices. VPP Plus delivers everything you need to help grow your MPS business and reduce operational costs, backed by Brother's award-winning reliability and support. Ready to unlock the full value of VPP Plus? Discover what VPP Plus can mean for your customer's business and how it can help grow yours.